In this section, we'll be learning about LSTM, long short-term memory, and recurrent neural networks, working with LSTM for text data and deep learning. Also, the section would be more theoretical concepts and fewer hands-on. We'll be doing majority of hands-on on recurrent neural networks in the upcoming section. In this video, we'll have a look at LSTM and RNN. First, we need to know what recurrent neural networks are. A recurrent neural network is a type of neural network with an introduction of time, which means that the output of the hidden layer in a recurrent neural network is fed back into itself, and that's how the model learns patterns in a sequence. This is performed by inserting the output of a layer at a particular time t as an input to the same layer at time t+1. For example, when we are reading a book, we need to understand the previous word to fully understand the current one, and eventually understand the entire sentence. Now let's talk about long short-term memory, LSTM. An RNN, recurrent neural network, is a neural network that attempts to learn patterns of something over time, such as text, weather, and so on. An LSTM network is a special type of recurrent neural network. If you are trying to train a model on a paragraph, RNNs may miss capturing the important information from the very start. LSTM is a solution to short-term memory. They have internal mechanisms called gates that can regulate the flow of information, hence the important information from the beginning is not lost.